The AI hype cycle is ending. My clients aren't asking for cool chatbots anymore. They're asking for infrastructure. They want systems that don't break, logic that reasons, and data that stay relevant. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 tech stack I used to move AI from demo to a line item on a balance with Python. It remains the undisputed gravity center for AI development. It's the language of research and the language of production glue. But later this month, I will be doing a deep dive into why I'm still picking up the Python or Mojo for client delivery. But for now, try to understand this in a professional setting. Ecosystem maturity wins every single time over raw execution. For orchestration, I have moved entirely to LangGraph. Most developers are still stuck in linear chains, but real business processes have loops, state, and human in loop. LangGraph allow me to build agentic flow that can self-correct. It turns a prompt into persistent state of machine. In a future video, I will show you how to compare CrewAI or Auto. But if your client need absolute control over the decision flow, this is the only way to build. Then there is memory. I use Qdrant in 2026. Efficiency is the new currency. While others are overpaying for managed serverless credit elsewhere, Qdrant Rust-based engine give my client high performance filtering and low latency. Whether you should use dedicated vector store like this or hybrid like pgvectors is a debate, and I will settle it in a comparison. For enterprise grade RAG, however, Qdrant is my current gold standard for reliability. We will discuss on it later. Finally, Next.js. The AI is the brain, but web app is the handshake. My clients need their tool to feel like high-end software, not a terminal window. Next.js give me speed, streaming capabilities for LLM responses, and professional UX that simplifies a premium price tag. For more updates, follow our channel.